Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up dividend reinvestment on Charles Schwab. Dividend reinvestment, often called DRIP, is a powerful way to grow your investments over time by automatically buying more shares. We will walk through the simple steps to enable this feature for your eligible securities, helping you harness the power of compounding. This process is straightforward and can significantly impact your portfolio's long-term performance. To begin, you will need to log into your Charles Schwab account through their website. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab, typically found at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Positions. This action will take you to a page listing all your current investment holdings, where you can manage various settings for each security. On your Positions page, look for a column labeled Reinvest. If you do not see it, click the small gear icon above the table to enable this column. For each eligible security, you will see either Yes or No in this column. Simply click on the current status to toggle it. Selecting Yes will automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares of that specific security. After making your selections, it is crucial to click the Update or Save button, usually found at the bottom or top of the Positions table, to ensure your changes are applied. Double-check the Reinvest column to confirm your desired settings are active. Charles Schwab typically processes dividend reinvestments 1 business day after the payable date. If you have any questions, their customer support is readily available to help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.